Guys, first up, it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A21s versus the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. And the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 comes with the Huawei Kirin 710F chipset with 4GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A21s comes with the new Samsung Exynos 850 chipset, which is based on 8nm architecture, and also we get a 4GB of RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A21s as well. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. I know that Huawei just launched Huawei Y8P, but the Huawei Y8P does not give you a Google Play services right at the box. Let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And low came up first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, followed by the Y9 Prime 2019. And both phones is running on Android 10. We have EMUI version 10 on the Y9 Prime 2019 versus One UI 2.1 on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let's see who is faster there. And you can see Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, it is just a tiny bit faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A21s, now it is also done. About 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 give you a full screen display. We don't get any notch or any hole on the Y9 Prime 2019 because the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 give you a pop-up selfie camera, and you can see it is a really unique feature which I don't like. I like the punch hole over the pop-up selfie camera because we have some durability issues about the pop-up selfie camera. Guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see Nova is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So starting off by basic stuff, first application we have is the phone dialer. Little bit faster on the Y9 Prime 2019, and the animation feels really smooth on both phones thanks to Android 10. Now let's check out settings. Little bit faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Have mic lock. Little bit faster on the A21s this time. Calendar on both phones. Little bit faster on the Galaxy A21s. Amazon shopping, same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Launching at the same time, and Samsung looks like faster this time. Yes, it is just a tiny bit faster there, while the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, now it is also done. Let's see the scrolling on both phones, and you can see it feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Instagram, little bit faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime. Snapchat, faster on the A21s this time. Spotify, and little bit faster on the Galaxy A21s. Candy Crush Saga, here we go. And Huawei Y8P also comes with the same chipset as the Y9 Prime 2019. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A21s, it is faster there, followed by the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Next on the list is the Subway Surfer on both phones, and let's see who is faster there this time. And the performance, it is little bit better on the A21s, and you can see again A21s, it is faster there, but I have to say that the display quality, it is much better on the Y9 Prime 2019 because we have a full HD IPS LCD display versus a 720p TFT display on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. The Temple Run 2, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see again Samsung Galaxy A21s, it is just a tiny bit faster there. And you can see, while the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, it is also right behind there, about 1 to 2 second difference there. Edge on both phones, and faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, followed by the Y9 Prime. The Twitter, faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s again. And last one, watching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. Little bit faster on the Y9 Prime 2019, followed by the A21s. And Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 comes with a 16 megapixel main lens on the back compared to a 48 megapixel main sensor on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using the default Samsung internet browser on the A21s versus a Google Chrome on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Wikipedia.org. and faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, just a tiny bit faster there. Let's see the scrolling. You can see about the same on both phones. Next on the list is the Samsung.com, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, it is finished the website first, and it is also finished up faster than the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and you can see on the content it is also show first on the Y9 Prime 2019. The scrolling, it is absolutely smooth on both phones. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones comes with a 4GB of RAM, and also both phones is on the latest software version. Let's see the phone dialer, refresh on both phones. Let's see settings, mic lock. Let's see the calendar, Amazon shopping, Instagram, same result. Let's see Snapchat, refresh. Let's see Spotify. Let's see Candy Crush Saga. You can see not refresh on the A21s. Subway Surfer, no refresh on the A21s again. Seems like the games it is not refreshed. Let's see Temple Run 2, that is refresh on both phones. Zedge. Let's see the Twitter, no refresh. Last we are back to the internet browser. You can see that is refresh only on the Y9 Prime 2019. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Some system based application faster on the Y9 Prime 2019. As RAM management it is just a tiny bit better on the A21s, but overall very bad RAM management and performance on both these two devices. I hope the RAM management will fix with some software updates on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 versus the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.